The only way to earn money is by providing value and by serving people and guiding them towards the right direction. So recently I generated $48, and even though I didn't pitch to anyone to anything, one thing. Second thing, I have no idea someone is purchased from me from my referral link, and I made $48. $48 is not a big money, but still I generated because of serving attitude, because of things that I created to serve the people, right? So let me show you the things that I how I generated this $48. So this is the $48 that I generated for Make More Offer Challenge by Myron Golden. This is the dashboard of Myron Golden of Make More Offer Challenge. If you don't know what Make More Offer Challenge is, you find the link in the I button. So there you find each and everything. So if you are watching me for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. As well as be a part of my Facebook group. Link is in the description. So you are getting too much live trainings there, and you are getting my access on one-on-one, so many things. So this is $48 that I generated on 4th of September, not recently, 4th of September, and today is the 17th September. I just opened my dashboard to get some affiliate link, to get some one affiliate link for an book, and there I found that, oh man, I have a sale for $48. I have, if you can see, Myron Golden general ticket, $48, one transaction in 30 days, and I checked the data, complete data. It was on 4th of September. How I generated the sale? Just because of creating something to get thing. What I learned from my mentors, what I learned from all the things that I becoming a part of. I am listening podcast. The only thing that so many times I listen is serve. Create first before you take. Give first before you take. So I record a Myron Golden review video for the Myron Golden 5 days make more offer challenge, and from there this particular sale is coming, because I didn't know who is the person right now, because when I checked the name of her and email ID, I have no idea about her. So let me show you the particular video that I recorded. So if you can see, this is the make more offer challenge honest review. 83 view I have on this particular video from till now today, and out of this 83 people, someone is buying this particular one product, which is Myron Golden make more offer challenge 5 days. You can check out this particular video, and if you want to know more about it, just go and check this out. But if you are someone who is always thinking like, how did I make more money? Rather, instead of thinking, how did I make more money? Create something valuable that will give you revenue. I record this particular video, I serve someone, at least one person, it is a big number. Zero is always better than one. So do it. I started recently started promoting this, and when I let me check, when I 4 weeks ago, yeah, 4 weeks means 1 month ago I published this particular video, and in a month I have this, not in a month. If we can see, 4th of September right now, it's already 17th of September. That means 1.5 week before. That means in 2.5 week, within 2.5 week of promoting this video, recording, publishing this video, I have one sale. I have one sale within 2.5 week of creating this video. And your content, your serving attitude, your values is more important than anything else. Or as well as, yeah, one thing is suddenly comes in my mind. I learned from Myron Golden itself that your content, your YouTube video is the salesperson for you. You don't have to do prospecting. People search you, people search their problem, and you pop up as the solution person, as the right person who are giving the solution. So this is what I created. This is what you have to create it, and that's where you are going to make money. It's just right now it's $48, but in future it might be 480 dollars, $4,800, $48,000. Who knows, right? So always don't just stress and frustrated towards money, money, money. Create something that will create revenue for yourself. So this is what motive of mine behind this video, and I hope you get value from this particular video. And please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you know someone who is get benefit from my content, who is get benefit from my trainings, Facebook lives, and all. We invite him or her to my Facebook group. The link is in the description. Go and check it out. We are doing live training, masterclass, interviews, each and everything inside our Facebook group. So I'm excited to meet you and check out the Make More Offer Challenge video in I button. Bye bye.